I spend my days between working long hours at my desk to lifting weights at the gym. And lower back pain is something I have to deal with every day. That constant stiffness is what made me start paying a lot more attention to my chair for the past few years. So when LiberNovo launched their Omni chair and it started popping up everywhere in the desk setup space, I couldn't ignore it. They eventually reached out for me to test it, and in this video I'm gonna share my experience so far. Let's start with the unboxing. Right on top you get a cardboard guide with all the assembly instructions. And I have to say the process was surprisingly easy and straightforward. First you install the wheels. They're made of plastic, but they feel solid and sturdy. After that you insert the gas lift. Next comes the back support, which holds the main structure of the chair together and includes the support slide. Then you align the seat and arm module with the base, secure it using screws and connect the USB-C cable for power. After that you snap the seat adjustment control and the tilt tension knob into place. Install the backrest following the instructions and finally mount the rechargeable battery under the seat. The whole process took less than 15 minutes, which is actually pretty fast considering this chair includes electronic components. Now let's talk about the chair's adjustability. To adjust the height, use the silver knob on the right side, which works smoothly exactly as you'd expect. It goes pretty high, which is great for taller people, and it also goes low enough for me. The knob right next to it on the other side is used to adjust the tilt level. The chair has 4 recline positions, ranging from 105 to 160 degrees. My favorite position for work is the second one, since it gives me some freedom to tilt back while still maintaining good posture. On top of that, you also have a tension knob that adjusts how strong the recline feels. So even if you're using the 4th level, which lets the chair tilt all the way back, you won't fall unless you really push into it. There's no tilt lock though. Personally, I don't mind it, but it's something you should know. What's really interesting is what happens when you tilt back. The headrest stays in the same position relative to your head, the armrests move with you, and the whole chair dynamically adjusts as you recline. No matter the position, you always feel supported, and honestly, this is awesome. It's one of those things you don't fully understand until you actually sit on it. Moving on the armrests, you can move them up, back and forth, swivel them inwards and outwards, and you can even move the entire arm assembly in and out. So in terms of adjustability, you can dial them in really well. They do feel a bit on the loose side for me, but honestly, it's not something that bothers me during daily use. But the feature that really set this chair apart is the OmniStretch system, which is basically a motorized lumbar support. You control it using the buttons under the left armrest. 2 buttons let you manually move the lumbar support up and down, while the third one is designed for when you fully recline and want to stretch your spine. They call this the OmniStretch massage, and to fully experience it, you might consider getting this really cool footrest that you can use in 3 different positions. Personally, I feel like the low to mid lumbar setting fit me best for working, which already feels very supportive there. I'd only use the highest settings when fully laid back, just to stretch my lower back. Speaking of the backrest, it uses the same cushy material as the seat, which feels very adaptive and comfy. What I really like though is the internal skeleton structure, which allows you to move around freely without ever feeling hard edges or pressure points. Last but not least, the headrest. It's height adjustable and you can also move it in and out, which I've never seen on any chair. Honestly, when you recline all the way back, it feels like a pillow. And I generally feel I could watch a full movie like this. When you first sit on this chair, you immediately notice how cushy it feels. The seat is made of a really soft foam that feels great to the touch, and you never feel the hard plastic underneath. I honestly don't have many complaints about it, except for one thing. It's missing seat depth adjustment. Coming from a chair that does have it, I notice that I have a bit less room to sit, especially when I sit with my leg crossed. There's also a noticeable gap between the end of the cushion and my knees, and I feel it most when I'm working for longer periods of time. So, final thoughts. I do miss having seat depth adjustment, which is probably my biggest complaint. The cushion could have been deeper, especially for someone like me with longer legs. I'm also not in love with the midnight black color, which leans more blue than black, and I would have personally loved a fully black finish. That said, this is a pretty awesome chair. It's new, so there's definitely room for improvement, but the concept itself is so refreshing. We're finally seeing some real innovation in office chairs, and that alone makes the Omni worth talking about. I'd love to know what you think about this, so let me know in the comments down below. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.